Hey y'all, my name is Katie Powell, and this is my family tree for the My Peeps assignment. I'll start with me. I have my master's in middle grades math and science from the University of North Georgia. I serve as a physical science teacher and as a coach for the Lumpkin County School System. I'm the oldest of three. My sister is a doctor in nursing practice student at Johns Hopkins right now, and my brother is a biological engineering major at UGA. I'm from Macon, Georgia. I was born in 1991 and graduated from Westside High School there. I'll follow my mother's side first. My mom is Nancy Melinda Hadaway Powell. Fun fact, I'm actually the 8th generation Nancy in a line, and you can see the Nancys as it goes through. My mother has her Master's of Education in English Education. She also attended UGA. She just retired as an English teacher. She was the oldest of two. Her sister was also an educator that has recently retired from the special education department at Griffin Spalding County Schools. Mom is from Griffin, Georgia, and she was born in 1958. Both of her parents were also in education. My grandfather, Layman Hadaway Jr., had his EDS in educational leadership and retired as an assistant superintendent. He was the youngest of two, originally from Clarkston, Georgia, and he comes just from a family of farmers. All of his grandparents and both of his parents were just farmers and homemakers. But they instilled the quality of education in him, and he just carried it from there. My late grandmother was Nancy Schumacher Hadaway. She had her BS in elementary education, and she served as a teacher and a librarian. She was also the oldest of two, and she grew up in Thomaston, Georgia. I guess the most diversity that comes in my family is this. You see the Schumacher. Otto Schumacher actually came over from Germany. He could speak German. His wife could not, and so my great grandfather was only half German. But that's the little bit of diversity that we have in my family. On my mother's side, my great grandfather Schumacher, he had his BS in etiology, so he did stuff with bugs. And he was big. He actually served as a state biologist and a soil conservationist for the state of Georgia. He was the oldest of four, but was born in Walhalla, South Carolina. My great-grandmother, Nancy King Schumacher, she had her Bachelor of Arts in History from Lander College, and she taught history as a career. And the rest of her family they were farmers as well. Marcus King was a farmer, but he also was very much an innovator. He fixed their house to have running water and internal plumbing. He was very resourceful in just the way that he built things, and very innovative for his time. Shifting up to my father's side of the family, Daddy kind of broke the educator trend. Dad has his Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Engineering from UGA, and he serves as an electrical engineer with Andrews, Hammock, and Powell industrial engineers out of Macon, Georgia. He was an only child, born and raised in Commerce, Georgia, to Roy E. Powell Sr. and Bonnie Carpenter Powell. Both of my grandparents on my father's side were in education. My grandfather having his master's in education and ag education, where he served as an ag educator, FFA advisor, and then a farmer. He enlisted in World War II for the U.S. Navy and served on a LST, and he was the oldest of six out of Hart County, Georgia. His family was also just farmers, all out of that kind of South Carolina, Georgia line area. And then my dad's mother, Bonnie Carpenter Powell, she had her bachelor's in science and home economics from what was then the Georgia State College for Women, and now is GCSU in Milledgeville. She taught elementary education for years. She was the third of four children, and she was born and raised in Demorest, Georgia. Her father, we aren't sure what school he actually went to, but he was the pharmacist in Demorest, Georgia, and her mother was a homemaker and a Sunday school teacher. So again, there's the education coming out. We don't know a whole lot about the rest of their family, but that is my family, a whole bunch of farmers that turned into teachers.